Hi there again, Izzy from digitalgoja.com showrooms. Today we're going to take a look at what all these numbers mean on these Tamron lenses. I have two versions. I have the one for a crop sensor and the one for a full frame. If this video helps you out, remember to hit me up with a like button underneath and subscribe to our channel for future sessions and tutorials such as this. And don't forget to visit, when in Miami, digitalgoja.com showrooms. Let's take a closer look at what this nomenclature means on these lenses. Now the first one here is a 24 to 70 millimeter. What does that mean? It says it right on the front over here. 24 to 70 millimeter SP f2.8. Now, what does that mean? This means that this is a perspective for a full frame camera. So if you have something like a Nikon, this one happens to be in a Nikon mount, so if you have something like a Nikon, the new version, the D5 or the D4S or the D610, D800 series, this lens is perfect. It's a 24 wide angle to a decent telephoto, and it's a constant f2.8. That's what all this here means. And they tell you it's for full frame because in Tamron, their designation for an FX mount lens, which is a full frame mount from Nikon, it says DI. And then they also tell you that it is an 82 millimeter diameter thread. See it right here on the sides? That's what that stands for, 82 millimeter diameter, which is the same thing that they put on the back of their lens cap. So it's pretty much giving you all the information of what the perspective of this lens is and what the constant f-stop is. Now, let's go over to the DI2. Notice how this says DI2. That means this is meant for a crop sensor camera. So this will be for your Nikon D7100, D5500, D3000 series, all the crop sensor cameras. And it gives you the designation SP 17 to 50 millimeter. So what this states is this will be a perfect all-around lens for everyday use because it starts at a decent wide angle and it gives you a nice portrait telephoto. And again, there's your constant aperture, f2.8. So that means this is a very fast constant aperture lens. And as the other model, it gives you your filter thread diameter size, which is 72 millimeter, which again, it says it also on the back of your lens cap. So that is what all these numbers mean. Basically, the manufacturers are telling you this is the perspective of the lens and this is what it's going to work for, plus your aperture values. Happy shooting!